YouTube Automation Explained, how to make $10,000/month without showing your face. Imagine making money on YouTube, without ever showing your face, without recording a single video, and without spending hours editing. Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. It's called YouTube Automation. And people all over the world are quietly building faceless channels that pull in thousands, even millions of dollars in passive income every single month. In today's video, I'm going to break down exactly what YouTube Automation is, how it works, how you can start, the mistakes you need to avoid, and the blueprint successful creators use to scale faceless channels into 6- and 7-figure online businesses. If you stay with me until the end, I'll even give you a step-by-step framework you can use today to launch your first automated channel. Let's dive in. What is YouTube Automation? Animation of YouTube Automation equals team plus system plus passive income. Montage of faceless channels, luxury, finance, history. Freelancer marketplaces screenshots, Fiverr, Upwork. You equals producer, team equals actors. Alright, so first things first, what exactly is YouTube Automation? YouTube Automation is a business model where you own and run YouTube channels, without personally creating the content yourself. Instead, you outsource parts of the process like script writing, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnails to freelancers. Think of it like running a production company. You're the producer, not the actor. You focus on ideas, strategy, and scaling, while your team handles execution. Here's how it typically works. 1. Choose a niche: tech, luxury, finance, sports, history, motivation. 2. Research viral topics: what's trending, what people want. 3. Outsource content: scripts, voiceovers, editing, thumbnails. 4. Upload consistently: optimize titles, tags, descriptions. 5. Monetize: ads, affiliates, sponsorships, products. The myth vs. the reality. Expectation versus reality. Meme split screen. Someone relaxing on a yacht versus someone grinding on a laptop. Clock ticking fast, rightward arrow takes time. Myths, reality. Now, let's clear up some myths, because a lot of people online make YouTube Automation sound like some push-button ATM machine. Myth number 1, it's 100% passive from day one. Reality. It takes time, effort, and smart systems. Myth number 2, you need thousands of dollars to start. Reality. You can start lean with AI tools and free editing. Myth number 3, it's too late to start. Reality. YouTube has 2.7 billion monthly users. The gold rush is still on. The step-by-step blueprint. Whiteboard animation for each step. Clips of successful channels. Over-the-shoulder view of keyword research tools, TubeBuddy, vidIQ. On-screen text. Step 1, pick a profitable niche. Step 2, build a content strategy. Step 3, build a team. Step 4, upload and optimize. Step 5, monetize. Let's break down the exact step-by-step blueprint to launch a channel. Keep original detailed script here with visuals syncing each step. How much can you make? Screenshot of YouTube creator revenue dashboards. Stacked bars showing CPM differences: gaming, $2, finance, $20. Luxury lifestyle B-roll for motivation. On-screen text. Finance, $20 plus CPM, motivation, millions of views. The pitfalls and mistakes. Red X marks on common mistakes. Montage of boring videos, weak thumbnails, messy analytics. Graph dropping equals channel failing. On-screen text. Top 5 mistakes that kill channels. Keep original script, but overlay visuals of each mistake as they're described. Tools and resources. Screen captures of TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Canva, Descript. Freelancers scrolling on Fiverr/Upwork. AI demo generating scripts/voices. On-screen text. Work smarter, not harder. Keep original list, sync visuals with each tool. The future of YouTube automation. Futuristic AI graphics. Clips of ChatGPT, AI voice generators, auto editors. Globe spinning with multiple faceless channels. On-screen text. AI plus human creativity equals future of YouTube. Keep original script, visuals match AI evolution. Call to action. Smiling creator at desk with laptop plus YouTube stats. Big subscribe button animation. Comment section screenshots popping up. On-screen text. Pick your niche and start today.